back to the channel. Got our sawmill running today. First time we're doing some experimenting here in the dead tree that we had. We don't have the walkway on there yet, so it's a little bit awkward right now. Pretty cool. Definitely gonna need some bigger logs than I just going. A lot of snow to wade through right now to get them. So we're just playing right now. Got a few of these boards here we might get a little bit to throw in there for a walkway where it's not quite so cumbersome. Got 3 boards. That's about $25 at today's prices.
Not a bad looking board for first try.
Yeah, not a bad looking board. Boards that size right there are going to cost you about probably $12 or $13 a piece. So we made some lumber right there.
Oh, that'll be better. Maybe
That's
I won't.
pretty awesome. Yeah, it looked like it was kind of cumbersome walking over them.
About got me down.
So that's kind of cool. It'll be a good asset as soon as we start building. Like and subscribe, guys and gals.